So whether you need a replacement of your roof, repair, you're looking to, give your house a facelift with some new siding, or your chimney's crumbling, our team is, you're gonna work with one of us the whole way through.
Probably the number one negative that people experience with contracted services is, I don't know what's going on. And people, they should know.
Our goal and vision is to really give the customer a good experience. And you can't do that by lack of, communication, or not being somewhere when you're supposed to be, or when the project's done and then the customer has to call you and say, hey, you left this behind. We want to cover all of that, so when we're done and we leave, the customer's confident and we're confident.
Warranties is a big deal. Most times it's the labor, it's the workmanship that goes bad on a roof. In all my years of roofing, I probably can count on one hand the numbers of times we've run into an actual manufacturer warranty issue. Most times it's workmanship. And the last thing you need is a new roof and a problem.
Customers are very thankful that we can get there and assess the issue right away. I think customers are grateful for that. Leaks do not stand a chance when I get out on the job site.